How to connect a set-top box to Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Locate the HDMI port on your TV. Most set-top boxes connect to the TV via an HDMI cable. Locate an available HDMI port on the back or side of your Samsung Smart TV. HDMI ports are usually labeled as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. Step number 2. Connect the HDMI cable. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on your set-top box. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to an available HDMI port on your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 3. Turn on both the TV and set-top box. Power on both your Samsung Smart TV and the set-top box. Make sure the set-top box is connected to a power source and turned on. Step number 4. Select the HDMI input source. On your Samsung remote, press the source or input button. A list of available input sources will appear. Select the HDMI port that corresponds to the one you connected the set-top box to. Step number 5. Confirm connection. Once you've selected the correct HDMI source, the TV should display the set-top box's output. You should see the set-top box's interface on your screen. Step number 6. Configure set-top box settings, if needed. Use your set-top box remote to configure any necessary settings or run a channel scan if required by your provider. This may include selecting language, time zone, or adjusting display settings. Troubleshooting tips. No signal message. If you see a no signal message, double check that both the TV and set-top box are powered on and that the HDMI cable is securely connected at both ends. Try a different HDMI port. If you still have trouble, try plugging the HDMI cable into a different HDMI port on the TV and select the corresponding source.